Hi everyone, welcome to Varna Garden. I have with me yet another hibiscus seed pod that I just plucked, and as you can see the seeds are snuggled in. So let me see how many seeds I can harvest today. They're all dropping down. Not bad. I have good results. And I think one more, yeah. Not bad, guys. I got some good amount of seeds, and I think these are just non-developed ones. But yeah, see, hibiscus seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, this is the highest that I have harvested. Pretty good, right? And these are, I think, pink color ones, but I have hand pollinated and cross pollinated them, so only time will tell. I will be sowing these today in a seed tray, and I'll keep you updated on the germination. So far the germination rates are very negligible. I think maybe just one has germinated out of, I think, about 15 seeds that I've harvested. But yeah, I'll keep trying. There are a couple of more seed pods that are still developing, and once they are mature, I'll again harvest them and make a video. Alright, thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Bye.